High energy bills got you down? It's no wonder, as we've seen utility bills rise dramatically over the past few years, and it looks like there's no end in sight, with fuel costs going up every day. Fortunately, there are some solutions that can make a big difference. If your system is over 10 years old, replacing it with one of today's energy-efficient models will immediately lower your utility bill up to 56%. Since your system uses as much as half of all of your utilities, improvements in efficiency can lower your utility bills. In fact, the monthly savings can be great enough to offset the monthly payment of a new system. Do the math and see how much energy and money you'll save.